Today, we will know about the mystery of Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle, often referred to as the Devil's Triangle, is a loosely defined region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. This area has been a subject of fascination and speculation for decades due to the mysterious disappearance of ships and airplanes that have been reported there. The mystery of Bermuda Triangle gained significant public attention in the mid-20th century when several high-profile incidents occurred. One of the most famous is the disappearance of Flight 19, a squadron of 5 US Navy TBM Avenger torpedo bombers in December 1945. The aircraft were on a routine training mission when they lost radio contact and vanished without a trace. Adding to the mystery, a search plane dispatched to find them also disappeared. Despite extensive search efforts, no wreckage or survivors were ever found. Theories about the causes of these disappearances range from the plausible to the outlandish. Some scientists suggest natural explanations such as powerful currents, unpredictable weather patterns, and underwater topography. Another scientific theory involves methane hydrates, which are the pockets of highly flammable methane gas trapped under the ocean floor. If these pockets are occupied, they could create large bubbles that reduce the water's density, causing ships to sink rapidly. Beyond these natural explanations, the Bermuda Triangle has also been the subject of numerous paranormal and supernatural theories. Some people believed that unnatural things are responsible for disappearance, abducting ships and planes for unknown purposes. Others suggest that the area could be a gateway to another dimension or a time warp where vessels and aircraft are transported to different periods or places. Despite the intrigue and numerous theories, many experts remain skeptical of the Bermuda Triangle's mysterious reputation. They argue that the number of disappearances in the area is not significantly higher than in any other heavily trafficked region of the world. Furthermore, many of the incidents can be attributed to human error, mechanical failure, or natural disasters. In recent years, advances in technology and navigation have made travel through the Bermuda Triangle safer and more reliable. Modern ships and aircrafts are equipped with better communication systems, GPS navigation, and improved safety protocols, reducing the likelihood of unexplained disappearance. Bermuda Triangle will remain a testament to the enduring human fascination with the unknown. Bermuda Triangle continues to captivate the imagination of the public. Many of the mysteries associated with it have many explanations.